Hi, it's Brett the Herbalist, and today I'm here to talk to you about using BodiTune. So you may have purchased or you may be looking at getting hold of the BodiTune Detox and Slim drinks. So this is the powder pot, and what I've got here are the sachets. So these are both identical, they both contain the same ingredients, and if you get the 500 gram pot, it's exactly the same as buying the 32 sachet pack as far as the quantity goes. You can also get a 1 kg pot, which is double the amount. So when using these products, basically what you're doing is you're getting a bit of pea protein as the base of this mixture. It's actually 50% pea protein, and the other 50% of what's in this product is pure herbs. And it's a blend of all the herbs in the detox and the slimming programs. So basically what you're getting is called BodiTune Detox and Slim, and it's an all-in-one. And this means you can use this product as a standalone detox and slim. It's not as powerful as doing the ultimate herbal detox or body cleanse as far as the cleansing effect goes. It's much more gentle. So if you're really wanting to do a full detox and body cleanse, I recommend the ultimate herbal detox or body cleanse drinks, which are also both the same product in a drink or in capsules. But this one you can use as a standalone for maintenance, so as a long-term ongoing program to help just keep your body clean and also to help your metabolism stay in check. So it can be used as a startup product to test and measure how you feel with the herbs. It's a great way to sort of test the water, if you like, see how your body responds. A lot of people also use this drink once a day or even twice a day alongside their detox capsules or body cleanse or alongside their slim. And doing it that way, you're basically topping up with the extra herbs. And if you're doing a detox and you do the BodiTune as well, you also get the metabolic stimulant effect and the craving control effects as well. So you can help your body lose a bit more weight while you're detoxing. And it's also great for controlling the hunger. So when you're on your detox or your slim, you can use this alongside to help curb the cravings and help reduce the hunger. So what I recommend doing is either doing it before or alongside or as maintenance after. So in other words, it can be used at any stage during the Ultimate Herbal Health Program, the Detox and Heal Yourself program, at any stage. The other thing is there's obviously the sachets, which come as single serving sachets, and these are great for if you're traveling or if you're at work, whereas the pots are pretty good if you're at home. You can have it in the kitchen, and that means it's really easy, and you're not also getting the waste of the sachets when you're using it at home. So that's another great tip. The other thing is you can do this in different dose plans. So if you're wanting to do the maintenance plan, I recommend just once a day, having a smoothie in the mornings. And if you're wanting to do a bit more weight loss or speed up the cleansing a little bit, you can do 2 a day. And some people even do up to 4 a day. And to do 4 a day, you don't really want to use this product after 3 p.m. because it's got stimulants in it and it might keep you awake. So I recommend doing it in the morning as a smoothie in the morning or at lunchtime. And you could use it early in the afternoon if you want to get that energy through the day, but not after 3 p.m. You might just lie in bed awake at night a bit longer. So from one sachet up to 4, which is called the rapid plan. And maintenance is 1, steady, maybe 1 or 2 sachets for a little bit more weight loss. And you can use it at any stage at all. So those are the plan options. Another thing to mention about this product is it's not a meal replacement. So a lot of meal replacement products come in tubs like this protein powder arrangement, but they also have carbohydrates and fats in them, whereas this doesn't have either. So really there's no carbs at all. There's 65 calories, which is minute, and it's just coming from the plant powder. But there is no artificial or bulking carbohydrates or fats or anything like that in this. So you've got the pea protein and the pure herbs, which means it's not officially a meal replacement. So with that in mind, if you're wanting to lose weight, then you can just mix this with water and just have a shake with water. And if you do add juice or milk, obviously then you're starting to put in sugars and fats. And if you're wanting to really curb your cravings and your appetite, then you could make a smoothie. And this obviously comes with the recipes for smoothies, which I highly recommend, because then you can actually use this as a complete meal replacement by adding the fruits and vegetables into the blender, throwing the powder in, and you can almost live on it for a period of time. So some people do this 3 to 4 scoops a day and go on what's called a rapid cleanse or just smoothies. And if you look up the recipes, you'll find just smoothies as an option for the recipes. And so you can go on just smoothies for a week or even 2 weeks or longer, depending on how good you feel with it, to encourage quite rapid cleansing and weight loss. So that's another good approach to use this product, BodiTune. But yeah, I hope that's been helpful. And yeah, one other thing I should mention is with your other food options, you can use this with the Detox or with the Slim. So just use the food plans that go with those plans while you're using this product. And if you're using it on its own, all I recommend is stay away from processed food as much as possible and reduce the meat in your diet and have less meat, more plant-based as possible, and you'll find you get great results. So good luck with your program and thanks for watching.